You're watching Aciero in Amsterdam. Today I'm back again on how to get your first clients to your store. So, how do you get your first clients and how do you get them to stay? Here are 5 ways to get your first clients in your store and keep them and probably make them your brand ambassadors. So, first of all, make sure that your store is ready and open and it's all looking great. First clients that will be in your store will be the clients that are passing by and looking at that very beautiful display you just decorated. And decorate your store, decorate your display. People love nice displays. Make your display very attractive that it will draw in people without you being, trying to call them. Just make them curious. Make them curious that they're very inquisitive. People are very inquisitive. So make them very curious so that they feel like, oh, what's going on over there? I want to check it out. So that's how you draw them from outside to inside. Secondly, throw an opening party. You don't have to do this, but if you can afford it, just do it. Invite all the other stores around you and all the people who live in that neighborhood to be familiar with your store. When you have opened your store, all the people living in that neighborhood are potential clients because they are always around and they're always purchasing something. So make them familiar with what you're selling, make them feel welcome, make your presence be aware, let them know that you're in the neighborhood and you have a business. So invite them to that opening and let them be familiar with your store and your products. Thirdly is try to do some advertising. I know most of you are like, oh, media advertising is very expensive and we don't know if we can afford it, and but just advertise. Just make a small ad and maybe boost it in Facebook ads and target the people you want to target. Don't target people all over the world that won't be able to come to your store. Target your potential clients, because most of you say you don't get clients after you advertise, but maybe you're not targeting your right audience. You're targeting everyone, and you cannot. If you're trying to sell to everyone, you will fail to sell to anyone. So try to target to your potential client. So try to introduce yourself to the neighborhood. And you can do that through advertising. You can make a campaign maybe on Facebook and target the area where your shop is and make sure that people see the ad, and in return they will know what you're selling and they'll understand your product and maybe they'll get to come to your store. Fourth, you make friends with other stores. Do collaborations and be friendly to all the other stores, because all those other stores in your neighborhood know exactly who will be interested in your products, because most of the time you have clients that go to the same store or they go to the hairdresser and they're like just talking around, oh, do you know where I can buy this and this? And if your hairdresser knows your shop or they know what you need, they'll probably send you some of their clients to buy stuff from you. You never know. Maybe it will be at the shoe shop when someone drops off their shoes and says, oh, I'm looking for somewhere to buy. Maybe you're selling meat. Oh, I'm looking for someone to buy meat, and they'll maybe send them to your butcher. They're like, oh, do you know this butcher here? And if that person is your friend or knows that you sell something, they'll recommend your store to another client. So in that way, you'll be getting recommendations, but you need to make friends with these other stores. Make them friends of yours and make them want to help you, grow in your business. The fifth tip I want to give you is try to do giveaway offers or just discount offers. That's very important. People love discounts. People love to be getting things for half of the price or free. So if you can get them in by attracting them that you really have a good offer they can pass on, believe me, they will keep coming back looking for more offers. So I hope these tips and tricks will help you get your first clients in your store. And leave me comments below and tell me about what challenges you're facing in your business, and tell me all about your business, and maybe we can help each other. And like this video, share it, and if you're new here, thanks for watching. Consider subscribing, and if you're a returning subscriber, thanks for the support. And that was it. I hope you enjoyed. Stay tuned for more.